Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a function in Python. So for that you have to use the keyword def and the function name, which can be func1 for example, and then bracket starts and closes. So it can accept values, but for now we are just making a very basic function. So in this case, whenever the function is called, it will just print hello. So let's try calling the function, and as we have called it, it is printing hello. So if you want to change it, you can see that function is working fine. Now what if you had some value in it? So argument is there now, and we want to print whatsoever is the argument, or maybe you want to multiply it by 2. So let's say if we are calling the function and we are providing the value 2, so now it will go over here and then over here, and it will be multiplied by 2. So just see, it is now printing 4. Likewise, if you have 1000, it will multiply it by 1000. So now we are 2000. You can experiment a bit more and we can see that number has changed. So basically it is working. So whenever the function is called, it is with the argument, the values are gone here and then it goes here. So whatsoever is the expression, it is solved, and whatsoever it is asked for, so over here it is supposed to print, so we are getting the output. So this is how you create the basic function in Python.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.